Have you been told lower back fusion is your only option? Lumbar fusion is highly invasive and dangerous. It involves putting screws, rods, cages into your spine. If disc replacement is your only option, is what your surgeon is telling you, it's not true. I'm Dr. Ara Deukmedjian, CEO and founder of the Deuk Spine Institute. Fusion surgery, it's dangerous and unnecessary. If you have a problem with discs in your spine, I want you to consider a safer and better alternative: laser spine surgery. Laser spine surgery can repair damaged discs that cause pain rather than remove them and fuse bones together. With laser spine surgery here at Deuk Spine Institute, you can have your surgery and be discharged the same day, an hour afterwards. There's no bleeding. There's no need for post-operative pain medication. You're in and out and back to a normal life within 24 hours. Please, if your doctor's told you fusion is necessary, just take a virtual consultation for free. You get 10 minutes with me. I'll let you know if fusion is the only option or if there's a better option for you.